Today we will get the boomerang achievement. Like I just said. So if you look here, look, boomerang. There's a multi-link by the end when you started. So we get a creative flight. Look, Dylan. We got a creative flight. This is like the smallest way, it's easy. These eyes and just steps to know what to do. Go from Robloxia back to Robloxia. And just go. That's it. Done. There.
Oh, they have some.
Gate 4.
Like there's so many players in this game.
Bro, don't say anything. Four. Oh. Yo, it's an A380, I think. Never mind. Alright, you guys come here. Alright, we're just gonna go get the boomerang. You got Dylan. Alright, wait, this is not my game. I'm so dumb. Let's teleport to my plane, literally. Gate 5. I'm going to gate 4. Sorry. Or this is gate 6. Bro, Dylan, this look like real life. Look. Dylan, this is like real life. It's like a, yo, what is this? It's 4. Oh. Why is gate 5 here and gate 4 is there? Why has the gate 4 have to be all the way there? It's just cringe. Bro, there's just thousands of people in there. I just started boarding. Slowly. Alright, just get in. This is literally just my gate. Just close the door, hurry. Okay. Make sure we gotta close everything, get them prepared. Do it. Let's get them prepared. Here, let's just get these people.
My name, Samuel.
Huh?
Are you calling my name?
Yeah. Bro, everybody is doing good here. Skip taxi, because I wanna take off. We're not doing missions today. We're gonna do missions next episode.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my video.
Okay, shut up.
We're watching Samuel play.
Okay. Alright, I forgot I didn't close the door. I'm so dumb. Well, guys, well, people, this is really nice. Say anything else? What? This is awesome. Diego, this is my jet up the back. Jet. Heaven. Think we're there. Alright, we're in. There. Ooh, whoa. It's different here. What would you like? Steak. Wow. Dylan, would you like steak?
Yes.
Is this you?
What?
Is this you? You want steak? He said thank you. We'll do food. Yo, he came in the laboratory. Food.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes.
Pasta.
At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened.
Bro,
Thank you.
Dylan doesn't want. Dylan, you don't want any food. Bro, all the girls took all the food. Literally, really, all girls.
So why did you feed them?
It's not a lot of people. Coke.
Is this plane going to Ohio?
No, it's going to Washington.
Is it going to Mexico?
No, it's going to Washington. It's staying in the state. Oh wait, I forgot the lady. Would you like to eat pasta and would you like to drink?
ginger, bro. That's an actual drink. Bro, they do actual drinks here.
Yeah, they. Was he did? Oh, wait, pasta. I forgot. We're done.
Bro, they make it as if it's an actual drink.
Alright, now you just gotta collect these darn trash from these peasants.
This is your captain from the
Like
flight
how
deck.
look at these nice
We have
things.
started our initial descent and will be landing soon.
We
Thanks
still,
for
we
flying.
still have turbulence.
See you again soon.
Dylan. We still have turbulence so far. Well, what happened?
Ah, it's my knee. Bro, look what Yuri did to my knee.
Okay.
There's nobody today. I see.
Alright, let's just like
Flight
oh.
attendants, please prepare the
Fix it.
cabin for arrival.
He has to pay me.
Oh,
If he doesn't, he's gay.
oh, we're not playing this gay game anymore.
Oh wait, I don't think Yuri's.
Bro, nobody's playing. Bro, nobody has their seatbelt on, literally.
Bro, why do they know?
Seatbelt. Oh, fine. Let's land. So we're about to land, and then we're gonna do the same thing too with a different. I feel like we're going extreme fast. I feel like we're going extreme fast because it's turbulence. Oh goodness, boys, the turbulence. The turbulence. This is not good. Oh no, spaghettios. It's a turbulence. Dylan, this is no good. It's turbulence.
It's a Bible. Look, it's a
Right.
paper you get at church.
Paper.
This stuff.
Whoa. Why are we going sideways? Oh. Now we're here. It's
Read it. You have caused too many sins.
Now we're in Washington.
Crush the Bible. You are sin for life. Because you crushed this useless piece of paper.
Alright, we're just gonna skip through and do the same thing again. Then we get the boomerang. There's a lot of achievements in the game because the achievements, yeah. Achievements. Skip the taxi because I'm lazy. Jump. Lock the door. Close. Okay, it's vacant. Vacant. Okay. Vacant. I can open the door now. Open. Okay. Oh look! Oh, I got 283 finally.
You know how to open this?
We can start boarding and bro, how did I get 283? How did I get so rich?
How did you get so rich?
I have a really good service now. Start this economy boarding. Come on, guys, please hurry up. Bro, it's made in the Patrick Star Show too. Get because it's cringe. Because he can't hear you, that's why. I think we're ready to take. Oh, stop breathing. Also, I forgot about this. Look. If you press interact with them, you can actually see them face first. You can actually
Flight
see them
attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Get the tag, guard action. I'm trying to get to the boomerang. Now we're going to Roblox. Wow, the turbulence is so bad.
I like it. Yo, put the graphics up.
Okay, not now. It's because I don't have time. Oh, we're done.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
What?
Developers make their games as realistic as they can.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Not now. Land. Please land. Hurry up, I want to land. Hello, vlogger. Oh, come on, there's one aircraft. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's one aircraft using this arrival runway. I got this in June 27.
Time to eat my soda.
Oh. I got all of these in June. I like parent serving turbulent.
Yo, search up cccola.com.
Not now.
You get free stuff. You can get free stuff if you search this up.
I don't care, not now.
Who wants free stuff?
How long is this plane gonna land? Bro, whenever you get land, this darn plane. Stupid aircraft can't even get off.
Zero. Yo, I'm going.
Come on, stupid aircraft. Land already. I think we're landing. Yep, we're landing. We're landing. Dylan, we're landing.
What is this? Ooh, I forgot I had this black cake.
Ah.
Yo, you want it?
No, thank you. Dylan, we're on the runway now. What? Robloxia. But I know him so good. He has me all the time. So, yeah. One is to the credit. Oh. Get taxi. Get up. I see people in Robloxia now.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, when I finished drinking my water, it went.
I'll go with the flight. Maybe I'll get it now. Just hurry up with this darn thing. How long is this door gonna open? See the door? Open. Damn. How do we open everything? Wow, there we go. So that's how you get the boomerang award.
How do you?
In the next episode, we'll get the. Sorry about that. This guy's the flip.
Do you have any other games?
Alright, see you soon.